Hello everyone, we are presenting you a new course, Houdini Masterclass, the Dune Worm Breach. In this course, we will learn to replicate this iconic cinematic shot from the movie Dune. We will procedurally create the worms and then add all the layers needed to create this shot. We will learn to create the desert landscape and then create all the interaction layers using Pyro solver. We'll create multiple layers like the ground interaction, the environment dust, the body layers, the blending layers, and also we'll create a subtle dust simulation for the environment. We'll also create a crowd system from scratch, including creating an agent to simulating realistic looking actions. All this will be nothing without the right look, so we'll learn to shade and light the shot to make the shot feel cinematic. Join us for the Dune Worm Breach Masterclass.